guys! Maintaining a positive mindset is essential for overall well-being. Here are a few tips to help you foster positivity and happiness in your life. Number one, practice a gratitude. Taking time each day to reflect on the things you are grateful for can help shift your focus to the positive aspect of your life. You know, guys, it's really important for us to know how to be thankful or to be grateful for all the things that we have. Yung bang na-appreciate natin ang lahat ng bagay na nangyari sa atin. Mapa negative man ito or positive, ba tinatanggap natin ito ng pagiging positive natin sa buhay. Number two, surround yourself with positivity. Spend time with people who uplift and support you. Positive relationships can have a significant impact on your mood and outlook. Grabe to. Totoo yan. Relationship man ito between you and your boyfriend or girlfriend or relationship between the kamag-anak, kapag may maganda kayong kasamahan, grabe, nagre-reflect talaga ito sa ating mga sarili. Kaya napaka-importante ng magandang samahan dahil dito makikita sa itsura natin yung mga bagay na gano'n. Ang ganda natin tingnan, inspired tayo once na tayo ay may mga ganong relationship. It is not between just the boyfriend and girlfriend but between yung mga kamag-anak natin or ibang mahal sa buhay. Alam niyo na! Number 3, engage in activities you enjoy. Doing activities that bring you joy and fulfillment can boost your mood and overall happiness. It's true. If you have something that you enjoy doing, do it. Because it really reflects again to your mood and the positivity. Example, if you are so bored in your life or there are problems arising, napaka-importante noon na tayo ay gawin natin yung bagay na makapagpapasaya sa atin. If you love hiking, do it. Why not? Diba? If you love shopping, if you have money, go. Relax and shop. All the things that makes you happy, do it. Number 4, practice self-care. Taking care of yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally is crucial for maintaining a positive mindset. Make time for activities that help you relax and recharge. Oh, di ba? This is really, really, really true. Napaka-importante sa atin na i-practice natin yung ating self-care and self-love. Because if we do not love ourselves, who will do this for us? And we cannot give love to others, like your loved ones or your relationship with your boyfriend or your relationship to any other person. You cannot give love if you do not have this love to yourself and care. In order for you to always be positive, make sure that you love yourself and take care of yourself. Kung ngayon hindi mo pa love ang sarili mo, umpisahan mo na. Kasi kung hindi mo ngayon yan gagawin, kailan mo pa siya gagawin? Do it now! Number 5, challenge negative thoughts. When negative thoughts arise, challenge them with positive affirmation or reframing techniques. This can help you shift your perspective and mindset. Mindset ba? Totoo yan. Hindi natin maiiwasan yung negative sa buhay because when there is positive, there is always the negative. Why? Because positive attracts negative. They cannot attract both like positive to positive. No, it's always the positive and the negative. Para hindi matalo ng negative yung positive, i-challenge natin yung ating sarili. Napaka-importante talaga na ginagawa natin paragi yung positive affirmation every day. Humarap tayo sa salamin, kausapin natin yung sarili natin at araw-araw natin sasabihan, ang ganda ko, ang galing ko, nagawa ko, grabe, hindi ako makapaniwala, congratulations self, nagawa natin, ang galing-galing natin. Yung mga ganong bagay, malaki ang naidudulot nitong impact sa pagiging positibo natin sa ating mga buhay. Matuto tayo na i-appreciate natin yung ating mga sarili. Bigyan natin ng appreciation ito. Napakahalaga nito at mapapansin mo one day, nagre-reflect na yan sa ating mga sarili. Remember, happiness is a choice. And cultivating positivity in your life can lead to a more fulfilling and joyful existence. Remember that
happiness is a choice, and the choice is always yours. Thank you for watching. This has been your Auntie G. Thank you so much for all the support that you are giving to me. Please follow me, share the video, make a comment down below, and you can also like or react on the video. God bless, and don't forget to smile. Bye everyone!